Hi everyone, welcome to BK42 channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the DYU T1 E-Bike. Let's begin. Open the box and remove the accessory box. Carefully untie the cable ties. Detach the front wheel and set it aside. Unfold the stem base and secure it in position. Inside the box, you'll find the user manual, folding pedals, rear reflector, rear light, thumb throttle, a USB-C cable, a pair of keys, and the battery charger. Using the 5mm hex wrench, remove the top part of the stem. Place the handlebar in its position, ensuring that the cables are not twisted, and then secure the top part of the stem as shown. Prepare the front wheel for installation. Remove the protective cover and the temporary axle using the 15mm wrench. Remember to remove the paper from the brake caliper. Stand beside the bike, pull the rear brake to lift the front fork of the bicycle, and place the front wheel in position. Insert the bolts by hand, and finally tighten them using the 15mm wrench. Occasionally, the front brake may require a minor adjustment to allow the wheel to spin freely. Loosen the top and bottom screws of the caliper, pull the front brake lever a couple of times, and then tighten the two screws again. The front wheel should now spin freely. Use the 10mm wrench and the 5mm hex wrench to secure the headlight in place. Install the left pedal, ensuring that it is the one marked with the letter L. Screw it counterclockwise onto the crank by hand. Then, firmly tighten it using the 15mm wrench. The right pedal has the letter R on it and should be screwed on clockwise. Again, tighten it firmly using the 15mm wrench. Placing the saddle is simple. Loosen the seat post clamp, insert the saddle, and once you have set the seat post at the desired height, tighten the seat post clamp. Ensure that it is securely tightened by adjusting the side bolt. The thumb throttle is optional. If you wish to install it, release the 3mm screw, open the clamp, and place it on the right side of the handlebar. Secure the throttle in place and connect the cable. Remember to remove the cable protection cover and align the two arrows before connecting them. Don't forget to install the rear light, and the DYU T1 Folding E-Bike is ready to ride. Wishing you a safe journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the DYU T1, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in buying the DYU T1, just click the link below to check it out. Thanks for watching.